COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered type of coronavirus. This is new virus and disease that were not known before the outbreak in Wuhan, China in December 2019.
Are the symptoms of COVID-19? The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, fatigue, and dry cough. Some patients may experience pain and edge, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. Symptoms experienced are usually mild and appear gradually. Some infected people do not show any symptoms and still feel healthy. Most infected people recover without the need for special treatment.
1 in 6 people who are infected COVID-19 suffer from severe pain and difficulty breathing. Elderly people and people with pre-existing medical conditions such as high blood pressure and diabetes are more likely to experience more serious illness. Those who have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing should seek medical help.
People can get COVID-19 from other people affected by this virus. COVID-19 can spread from person to person through spread from the nose or mouth, which come out when someone infected with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. People who touch objects or surfaces and then touch their eyes, nose, or mouth can become infected COVID-19.
People who touch the object or surface and then touch their ears, nose, or mouth can be infected with COVID-19. Transmission of COVID-19 can also occur if people inhale or spark that comes out of chug or breath of a person infected with COVID-19.
So far, Indonesia has recorded 9,511 cases. This occurs highest in Southeast Asia, only behind Singapore. In terms of deaths number, Indonesia ranks 5th in Asia with 773 deaths. If fatality rate is also one of the highest in the world. Reactors suggest the main reason of the highest rate is probably a lack of testing or something in many cases going undetected.
Rapid test is an initial screening method to detect antibodies, namely IgM and IgG, which are produced by the body to fight the coronavirus. These antibodies will be formed by the body when there is exposure to the coronavirus. However, the formation of these antibodies requires time, even up to several weeks.
So the rapid test here is only a screening or screening test, not a test to diagnose coronavirus infection or COVID-19. The tests that can determine whether someone is positively infected by coronavirus so far is only a polymerase chain reaction PCR test. This check can detect directly the presence of the coronavirus.
Government spokesperson for handling of COVID-19 Ahmad Yuryanto revealed most cases of death from the new coronavirus in Indonesia were in the age of 30 to 59 years, as many 350 on people out of a total 733 deaths. The highest number of death cases in the age range 60 to 79 years is 302 people, while death cases in COVID-19 patients infected at a young age ranging from infants to adults can stand to be less.
Confinement of Indonesian Touch, the task force of the acceleration of handling COVID-19, noted the number of positive confirmed cases of COVID-19 as the Tuesday 28th of April rose significantly to 9,511 after an increase of 4,025 people. 28th of April, that the mortality rate confirmed due to positive COVID-19 continued to weaken. Noted to this day, there are an education aid that veterans bring the total to 7,023.
The number has gradually decreased when compared to the death per day before. The most common death cases are in the age group around 41 to 60 years and several others above that age. In addition, there are morbidities and comorbidities of hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, and lung disease, which worse the patient condition until death.
Because of the coronavirus pandemic, several countries have decided to implement lockdown. Lockdown can mean closing access from inside or outside. The purpose of lockdown is to prevent a wider spread of the coronavirus.
Lockdown will also be followed by meetings held that involve many people, school and university meetings to public plans. This effort was made to overcome the risk of virus transmission associated with locking in communities outside the region. The lockdown is temporary and can be lifted from time to time if this pandemic ends.
Indonesia was hit by panic after President Joko Widodo announcement that two Depok residents were positively infected by the coronavirus or COVID-19. Since the announcement, many people have supermarkets and pharmacies. At the pharmacy, they panic and bought healthy goods, especially medicines, antiseptic, and masks in large quantities.
In supermarket, they buy up staples or basic needs, such as instant food, basket drink, to baby diapers. The reason people do that is to prepare if at any time the government implements a lockdown like in Wuhan, China.
COVID-19 Ministry of Communication and Information Menkominfo Johnny G. Platts provides the latest data that there have been more than 500 cases related to the coronavirus COVID-19 recorded until Saturday. This case was various on digital platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. The public is expected to be able to find information correctly and validly, so that the handling of this case can be carried out appropriately in accordance with procedure. Therefore, the government implements one-door information system related to COVID-19. For example, is http://covid19.go.id. You can access this website to find information all about COVID-19. So, I think enough. Thank you.